In this video, I'll show you how to see saved passwords on iPhone. If your iPhone is using iOS 18 or later, Apple says your saved passwords are now in the Passwords app. So start by opening the Passwords app, then unlock it with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, tap All or choose the category you want. Then select the website or app account you want to view. Apple says you can tap the password field to reveal it and even copy the password if needed. If your iPhone is using iOS 17 or earlier, Apple says the steps are a little different. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Passwords, then unlock with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After that, tap the website or app name to view the saved password. Apple also says you can use Siri and say something like, "Show my passwords," if you want a faster way to open them. And if you're trying to find a saved Wi-Fi password, Apple says you can also go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, tap the info button next to the network, and tap the password field to reveal it. On iOS 18, Wi-Fi passwords can also appear in the Passwords app. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.